This is TechCrunch. Battery recycling and cathode production company Redwood Materials has raised $350 million as it grows its new energy storage business in a bid to power the AI data center boom. The Series E round, led by venture firm Eclipse, also included a new strategic investment by Nvidia's venture capital arm, NVentures. The company's valuation was not disclosed, but a source familiar with the round told TechCrunch it was about $6 billion, a billion dollars higher than its previous valuation. The funds will be used to expand the company's burgeoning energy storage business, as well as its refining and materials production capacity. Now, Redwood, founded by former Tesla CTO J.B. Straubel, also plans to hire more engineers and staff for its operations team. When Redwood Materials was founded back in 2017, it set out to create a circular supply chain for batteries by focusing on recycling scrap from battery cell production and consumer electronics like cell phone batteries and laptop computers. That business, which continues to grow, involves processing those discarded goods and extracting materials like cobalt, nickel, and lithium that are typically mined. Redwood supplies those materials back to its customers, which include Panasonic, GM, and Toyota. Redwood has since added new related pursuits like cathode production. Most recently, it launched an energy storage business that uses the thousands of EV batteries it collects to provide power to companies. That business, called Redwood Energy, is largely directed towards serving AI data centers as well as other large-scale industrial sites. Redwood is sitting on massive quantities of EV batteries that have too much life left to put through the recycling process. The company ties these retired EV batteries to renewable energy sources like wind and solar to create an off-grid system that sends power to AI data centers or industrial sites. The system can be tied to the grid, and Redwood says the EV batteries can also be connected to natural gas turbines or future nuclear generators for large-scale energy storage. It has plenty of supply. The company recovers more than 70% of all used or discarded battery packs in North America, and not all are recycled right away. As of June, Redwood had stockpiled more than 1 gigawatt-hour worth of batteries that could be used for energy storage. By 2028, the company plans to deploy 20 gigawatt-hours of grid-scale storage, placing it on track to become the largest repurposer of used EV battery packs. London-based AI creative studio Wonder Studios has raised $12 million in seed funding to scale production amid a push to bring AI-generated content into the entertainment industry. The round was led by Atomico, alongside existing investors Local Globe and Blackbird, and builds on Wonder's pre-seed investment, which included executives from 11 Labs, Google DeepMind, and OpenAI. Wonder will use the fresh funds to double its engineering team and accelerate its push into IP ownership and original content production. The team recently produced an AI music video for Lewis Capaldi's Something in the Heavens, created with DeepMind, YouTube, and Universal Music Group. Wonder also released its first original production, the Beyond the Loop anthology series. Wonder is working on several commercial and original projects for release next year, including an upcoming documentary with Campfire Studios, the production company behind Netflix documentaries, the Menendez Brothers and America's Sweethearts, Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders. Campfire's CEO Ross Dienerstein is an investor in the startup. The drive for IP ownership emerges amid a wave of legal actions from Hollywood producers targeting AI companies, both for training models on their content and for generating outputs featuring copyrighted characters. Disney and Universal, for example, have sued Chinese company Minimax as well as AI image generator Midjourney. Wonder's raise also comes as Netflix goes all in on generative AI as a way to make creatives more efficient at storytelling. AI remains a divisive issue in entertainment, with artists concerned that tools powered by LLMs which have often been trained on their work without consent, could threaten their livelihoods. OpenAI's Sora 2 has come under particular criticism for reproducing actors' likenesses without notice or consent. Wonder positions itself as Hollywood without borders, helping to make AI storytelling tools accessible to all creators. The startup's app serves as a hub connecting its community of creators with career opportunities, collaborators, and resources, according to the company. Justin Hackney, Chief Commercial Officer and co-founder of Wonder Studios, said, "The next decade will define what creativity looks like in the age of AI. Our mission is to ensure that this future belongs to the storytellers. Working with leading studios, industry pioneers, and grassroots filmmakers, we are already creating a bridge where technology and artistry grow together." That's it from TechCrunch. For more stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.